Hi there, and welcome back to Sway. Now, if you watched the previous training video, you saw what Sway was and how it could take your presentations to a whole new level. Now, in this video, we're going to be looking at creating a Sway from scratch, just to get you comfortable on how it works and how to start building your first Sway out. Now, before we start, I just want you to see that there are a couple of options that Sway offers you to inspire you to create an awesome Sway. So you can start a Sway from a document. So it could be already a PowerPoint or a Word document that you've been working on, and you can go ahead and start your Sway from that. I'm just going to click cancel here, or you can start from a topic. So let's say I want to create a Sway based on pharmaceuticals. Now I'm just going to click on create outlines, and if I'm not specific enough, Sway will give me further suggestions. So I'll just say the pharmaceutical industry, and once I do, it'll use that topic to create a Sway for me. Now it's already built out my title card, my text cards, any image cards. It's already built out for me, so I can work with these cards, rearrange them, re-edit them, and make sure that the presentation fits my needs. Now I'm just going to come here to preview, and this is the Sway. Now I'm just going to click on this back button, and as well, Sway will offer you templates that you can start from. Same process, you'll click on the template and it'll create a mini Sway for you that you can rework and re-edit, and it'll give you some further inspiration by giving you Sways that are already built, already done, and already shared out to the public, so you can garner some inspiration from them. So I'll just click on this, the Universe Sway, and once I do, I'll be taken to this already public Sway, and this will show you what you're capable of when you create your first Sway. So this is pretty neat. Now let's go back and let's look at a quick way to create a new Sway. And I mean quick as in a quick and easy process. I don't want you to sit through a 10-minute video of me creating a Sway. I just want to make you comfortable in just building out one and how the components work. So by default here, this is my first card, my title card. I'm going to name it Contoso's Annual Hiking Trip. If I want to add a picture, I'll come here, click on background, and by default, Sway will use words that I've used in my Sway to give me suggestions of images. So I'm going to click on this suggestion, and if I don't like anything that I see, I can simply just come up here to the search bar and type in hiking to get something more specific to what I'm looking for. So I'm going to use this picture here. And let's say I want to add a video card now. I'm just going to come back to cards, drag and drop video, click on add a video, and let's use this 6-minute video. I don't really think anybody wants to watch a 23-minute video in your Sway. And if I want to add a text card underneath that, just do that process. And if I want to add a new section, I can just drag and drop this heading, and I can have another title card. Now here in the text card, I can say just rules to adhere to when hiking in a group. I can add some bullets, stay close, don't pet any bears, bring plenty of water, and so on. And in my next one, I can simply put after hiking activities. And once again, I can just add another image. So let's say I just want a socializing image. And once I do, it'll give me plenty of suggestions here. You know, let's say you're hiking on a Friday. Why not? Drinks sound really good at the moment. And I could just put that in. Of course, that's allowed by your company. And I'm just going to click on preview. And this is what my Sway in progress looks like, and this is how I'm building it out with various cards. And if I want to work out with the theme, the design, the look and the feel, just click here on design. I can maybe choose for it to be black and white. Get a little preview here. And this is what it'll look like at the moment. Come back to design. Let's say I like this purple one better. I'll go back to my storyline, to preview. And if I like the layout or if I want to change it, I personally like scroll vertically, so I'm going to put in scroll vertically just because I like that whole like web page layout look. And that is my current preview. Now I'm going to come back to cards, and this is how you work with a sway. Now I know it was a bit of a quick overview here, but trust me, once you start using it, it'll be so easy. You might even forget you have PowerPoint, but don't forget, it's not a replacement. PowerPoint is still great to use, but this is really powerful as well. And once I'm ready to share this, I can just come up here to the share button, and I can set my permissions, my options, and just share it out with the world. And for the moment, I'm going to choose anyone with a link. I'm going to take this link it's given me, go into an in-private browser just so it doesn't recognize that I'm already logged into Allie's profile. And once you're ready to share the link, this is what your viewers will see. And I can scroll down, and you've just gotten started making your first sway, and you're ready to wow the crowd. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to get some more awesome training videos like this, just send us a quick note. Cheers from Solar Tech.